Okay, welcome to Atiigah Tech Academy. Today I will be taking you through how to use the FASLTAD simulation software, the software I use to do my simulations in my video. So in this tutorial series, I'll be teaching you how to use that website. So we simply come to our open any browser at all, then we'll type FASLTAD. When we type FASLTAD, the first link that will come called FASLTAD, then we'll take that link and we'll click on that link. It will take us to this place, and this is the site. So I'll come and click full screen version because I want to use the whole screen to show you guys how it really works. So I'll now clear this. So to clear this, when you open, this is the design that is always there. This is the default design. So I'll just here option, then I'll create a circuit, then I'll create a blank circuit. After creating a blank circuit, I'll come here draw. You see, when you come here draw, you see add resistor and what do we call it? But to make things simple, you just come to options. When you options, you can check and you come and check toolbox. When you check the toolbox, you see that a toolbar, you see that this resistors and everything will come. So since we'll be using resistors, I just come and pick my resistor here. When I bring it here, you see that they say the resistor. So I'll start drawing. I'll draw this circuit. You can just draw any circuit at all you want. Then I also draw this circuit. So in the process of drawing my circuit, I need a voltage source. So since I'm looking for a voltage source, this is it. When I bring this voltage source, so this is a 2-terminal voltage source. It's a DC voltage source. If I need an AC voltage source, I can also go and pick some. I also bring my voltage source here. So after bringing my voltage source here, I can realign it. Then I need a wire to now connect everything. So I come here, pick my wire. This. Come here, pick my wire, join it from here to here. And I'll come and join it. You see that our current has started flowing. So now if I want to now change the value of these resistors, I simply come and double click on the resistor. After double clicking, I put in a value. So let's say 2. Then I put in here, maybe let's say 3. I can also put maybe let's say 5 here, and I can equally put let's say 2 here, and I can also put let's say 2 here. So you see that the current is really running fast, and I can change our voltage source, the current the voltage going through it. So let's say here is 7 volts, and here too, let's name it as 10 volts. Let's hit as apply. So since the current is running too fast, if I really want to slow it down to see how it is, I can slow simulation speed. I can reduce simulation speed by clicking here. Or I can also reduce the current speed. So you see, after reducing the current speed, you see that how the current is moving slow. So we can now see how the voltage is really. So if I want to say, let me say, if I want to find the current across any of the resistors, the properties of any of the circuit here, I come here. So you see that the details, when I come to it, you see that the details are displayed here. Our voltage source is 1.7 volts, and the power across it is this, and the current through it is this. So when we take it to this resistor, it's also the same thing. We take it to this resistor, it's the same thing. this one too the same. So basically this is how we use the FASLTAD simulation. In our next video, I will be using these videos alongside to solve the questions we solve. So we'll do our simulations to always confirm our answer. So basically this is how we use the FASLTAD simulation software. So I'll share the link to this website in the video description. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I'm signing out. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, because this YouTube channel is fully dedicated to you guys. And in case you have any challenge in any of the courses, feel free to hit us up and we'll also add it in our video series. Thank you very much.